So let's discuss this first. Means basically POM means we learn about this locator. Uh, you can say locator and actions. Am I right?
Yeah.
So means for that, if you want to do automation testing, then first you need to find an element and from our pages, and after finding the element, we need to perform actions like filling the data, clicking the button, selecting a check or uncheck the radio button or check boxes, isn't it?
Yeah.
And this time, if we have, let's say, on a website, we have a pages, multiple pages are there. So, and each and means for that, what we will do, we will create this pages file as a class, and when we are going to do anything with that particular page, you can call the methods there, and you
Yeah.
don't know means whatever functionality their properties are there, logic is there, everything is kept in that single file or class on. Understand
Mm.
my point?
Yeah.
Tomorrow, if something has been changed or something need to be improved, then you need to go into that file and
Mm.
improve the, you can say, things or introduce the new things there. So in this manner, means you will achieve, you can say, this reusability, scalability, because your this test cases are neat and clean. Am I right? They are
Yeah.
not handling this locator and other thing. They are dealing with the pages only. Okay. So
Mm.
this is a thing for POM, and for this, you can say reusable code. Definitely, when you whatever we learn fixer, we learn this hooks, we learn this POM. The whole idea to learn this so that we can write our, you can say, project scripts. Okay, project scripts so that we can reuse or write our
Yeah.
framework. Basically, with the help of that, we can automate the thing. Am I right? So this
Mm.
is the whole idea to doing these two things, and there you need to consider a dry concept. Don't repeat yourself. So wherever you can means avoid the things and means repeating the thing is good for you. So that tomorrow, if we will need to change something, then we can, because you are not repeating yourself again and again. Am I right?
Mm.
If you are
Yeah.
doing that, then there is, if you are repeating yourself, let's say 10 places, then you need to change same change in a 10 places. But if there is a single source of truth for that change, then you need to change only a one place and you are good to go.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
With this base, please go ahead.
I'm saving, but it is giving commenting. Please, please.
First you need to done with the merging part. Click on this, click on this. No, 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 no. Click on merge changes. Merge changes. No, no, no. First file. On top, merge changes. Yes, under that there is a one file. No, open, expand that. Merge changes, expand. No, 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 no.
Mm.
Expand this.
Oh, yeah.
Click on this.
Mm.
Click on review. Review in merge changes. Review in merge changes.
Where is that
Below,
review?
below. On a here in editor itself, there's a blue button on a bottom side. Review in merge editor. Okay,
Oh,
actually, this file has changed on on server as well. Am I right? And now it's
mm.
asking what you want to do. You want to, I mean, go with your own changes, or you want to accept upcoming changes. So just there are tick buttons, that two ticks are there. You go with the current one.
Mm.
On top. Yes, yes. Check current one. Yes, yes. Complete merge. There's a blue button now. Yes, complete merge. Now you can pull it. Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Now sync your project again. I think they're synced already. Okay, check that advanced this Playwright advanced topic in Explorer on top. Yes, Explorer. So go up, please. Go up, advanced. Yes. So Playwright and reusable test architecture. We need to cover these two. First, start with the yes, this.
So page object model. Simple definition: page object model is equal to design pattern where UI pages are converted into reusable classes. Instead of writing selections in test, you create a page classes, encapsulate locators plus actions. Why engineering need? Without POM, duplicate selectors are test tightly coupled to UI. With page object model, clean tests, reusable code, and easy maintenance. Real life analogy. Think of bank app. You don't directly interact with database. You use the UI layer buttons, comma forms. Page object model is equal to that UI abstraction layer. Engineering concept. Abstraction plus encapsulation. Hide selectors inside class. Expose only actions. Basic page object model structure. Folder structure. Test pages, login page.ts, dashboard page.ts. So this is an example login page. So here, page object model will have encapsulation plus abstraction.
You understand what is encapsulation and abstraction?
Encapsulation, we will be use the private variable functions within a class. That is
Yes.
encapsulation.
Yes, means encapsulation where we will bind the properties and behavior in a class. Am I right?
Yeah,
And you are able to access you cannot access the private property directly with the help of method. You can use those methods. You can know the behavior and use that behavior only. Methods only. Am I right?
yeah,
And under the hood, whatever logic it is wrapped in that class.
yeah,
And yes, abstraction, whatever you need to know, that is available for you. Rest of the thing, what's going under the hood, you don't need to take care about that. Like you can think of car. You know how to drive a car, but under the hood, how engine is sparking, how fuel is moving, you don't need to care about it. Am I right?
yeah,
That's abstraction. Same thing with this. So test only need to know, I mean, whatever the basic test, whatever the basic thing like fill or action, they just need to know on, hey, this is a page, am I right? And on this page, user can do this thing, and we need to test this thing. So based on that, we can reuse this. Understand my point?
yeah.
Okay.
Then example login page. So here import page from Playwright test. Export class login page, constructor private page, username user, password as pass, and login button is equal to login. So asynchronous login user string pass is equal to string. So this await this dot page dot fill of this username comma user, and await this dot page dot fill this dot password pass, and await this dot page click this login button. So
So,
here the username is user, password is pass, and login button is login. So
so basically here we are saying, hey, there in this class, login page class, we have a login method which require two inputs, two parameters, one is user and another is password. Am I right?
mm,
And here what we are doing first with the help of this fill method, we are passing a locator. What
mm,
is the you can say this? What is the ID of this user? So that we can find out, and then we are whatever parameter user pass for user we are filling that. Am I right? Same
yeah,
thing with the password. After that we are clicking. So when you will use this method in a test on below, then you are able to see we are creating the object of this page and means passing the required value, calling this method login method and passing the required value.
mm,
Use this in test. Now,
yeah,
are you able to understand?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, go ahead, please.
Then you input test from Playwright. Test import login page from pages login page. Test login test comma sync of page. Constant login page is equal to new login page of page. Await login page dot login of admin comma password. Here the test is login test. Test name is login test. We are in the page that login creating variable login page is equal to new login page of page. It login dot page login admin comma password. So we are entering admin name as admin and
Password as the password.
yeah, correct, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Then next is improved version best practice. Use playwright locators instead of strings. Import page comma locators from playwright test. Export class login page, random read only page, read only username locators, password locators, then login. These locators are input text, right? Input input text of username.
Yes, fields. Basically, right now
Field.
we are element. These are the elements which are available on our page.
Mm,
Okay. Earlier we are using the IDs of those things. Am I right? Now
yeah.
because we learn this locator, why will not use this?
Mm,
Okay.
yeah. And constructor, we are using constructor here. Constructor page colon page. This dot page is equal to page. This dot username is equal to page dot locator of user. Password is equal to page locator of pass. This dot login button page locator is login. We are calling this user from where actually?
Yes, sir. ID on a HTML
Ah,
page on your web page.
correct.
This is ID. Could you go
Mm-hmm.
up and check that? Earlier we were using this string and
Yeah,
using the fill method or click method there. Am I right?
yeah, this,
Now
yeah,
first to yes, it's a difference.
yeah. So we are directly calling locators here only on the page, on the button.
Yes, at the place of string we are initializing a locator first. And after
Oh,
that we are performing the action after finding the locator. After initializing the locator, we are applying the action.
mm. Next is async login user colon string await this dot username dot fill user this dot password dot fill dot pass await till this dot login button dot click. Okay. Next is
So this
flow
is a whole,
visualization. Yeah.
yes, sir, this is a whole flow.
So first is credential login, username and password. In the page object model, we have a test scripts. So fill field common, username, fixtures, username. Then here the common password and fixture, common password. Then click common login. Next, after this, uh, page object model.
So with the help of that, you can, let's say, in a fixer, you will get that page things, or in a dash itself, you can write out one method there. With the help of that, you can return that page object as well. Okay, and you
Ah,
use that.
then driver return driver for Firefox or Chrome. Okay, so page object get page object method returns all the page objects from this page, right?
Yes,
And
yes, yes.
and here login page, um, login method, main page, header section, footer section, menu bar, flights, hotel packages, select menu, header section, search, setting, logout, search by sub function.
So
Then page
same
or
is, yes, this page have their own, you can say, properties, like earlier we checked for this username, password, and button name, right? For
yeah,
login page. Same with another. They have their own behavior and you can say properties or elements. We can initialize that, and with the help of method, we can call that. All right.
yeah.
Okay.
Then next is page screen contains common Selenium operations. Next is login page, web elements in method, page, home page, web elements in method. So login page, you have that username, elements,
Yes.
uh, input type, input box, buttons,
Yes.
those one. Then in the home page, like filling your form, like username, password, username, name, date of birth, attributes of the anything can be contained in web home page.
Yes.
Then login test, script 1 and script 2. You are testing the login test here. You are performing login test. Script 1, script 2 means any a login script can be here. Home test script 1 and script 2. So this will be opened in any of these browsers. Chrome, Safari, Opera, Firefox,
Yes. Yes.
Edge. Yeah. Then Playwright Factory, get page, base test, home page and search page. From base step, get page object here, Playwright. Then home page and search page, playtest will be extends on the base test. So method here extends base test, setup and tear down. Then it goes to home page on the search, then to search page, get search text method.
So basically, the idea of this means with the help of that, you can break down your whole project into pages, right? And
Mm,
then you can use that, and you have a better control because you have a dedicated file for that page.
yeah,
Am I right?
yeah. Then flow from test, page object, then go to browser. Then page object model versus normal test. Without page object model, await page.fill of username comma admin, await page.fill of password, await page.click of login. So with POM, await login page.login of admin comma password, cleaner and reusable. Real use case, scaling project, large project 100 plus test, 20 plus pages, without page object model chaos, with page object model organized structure. 10 common mistakes, putting assertions into inside Page object model. Keep POM from actions only. Keep page object model for actions only. Hard coding test data in page object model. Pass data from test. One huge page file break into smaller components. Not using locators properly. Always prefer locator. Practice task. Task 1. Create sign up page. Task 2. Add method. Enter email method. Enter password method. Submit form method. Task 3. Use it in test. Okay. This is mini project idea. Build e-commerce automation. Pages, home page, product page, cart page, checkout page. Form is equal to abstraction layer, improves maintainability, reduces duplication, separate test logic and UI logic. Final summary, form is equal to page goes to class, encapsulation locators plus actions, test becomes reusable and scalable, essential for large automation frameworks.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now please go there. Go to your project explorer and check you can see this another file as well, reusable test. And after that, we will check our run our project and check the code there.
Yeah. So this is reusable test architecture, Playwright. What reusable test architecture is equal to? A structured way of designing test automation where components are modular, reusable, and maintainable. Instead of writing everything inside test file, we divide system into layers. Each layer has a clear responsibility. Why? Without architecture, code duplication or poor scalability. With reusable architecture, faster development, clean separation, easy maintenance, enterprise scalability. When use this, when project has 10 plus test cases, when working in team, when building framework, not scripts. How? Core idea. Break automation into layers. Test layer gives you business logic. Fixture layer setups and reuse. Page layer UI abstraction. Utility layer common helpers. Data layer test data. Architecture flow. Parse error on line 4. Page of parse
Oh,
layer.
it's broken, so leave it. Leave it.
Okay.
Real life analogy.
Real life analogy. Building a house. Test owner request. Fixture worker prepares tool. Page rooms are actual building. You don't rebuild everything every time. Engineering view principles. Separation of concerns. Each layer does one job only. Dry. Don't repeat yourself. Reuse logic across tests. Stack. Hide UI complexity. Dependency injection. Fixtures inject ready. Then architecture layer. Test layer. Contains only business logic and assertions. Then test. Test name is user login. Async logged in page. Await login page dot go to dashboard function. Fixture layer handles login setup reusable flows. Logged in page async page comma use. Await login of page. Await use of page. Then page layer encapsulation or locators and actions. Async login user comma pass. Await this dot page dot fill user this ID of user. Then utility layer common reusable function generate email function and format data function. Data layer test data user is equal to admin colon dash folder structure. So you have root, we have test pages, fixtures, utilities, data and configuration. So what is the real world use case? We have e-commerce flow. First login, Then we'll add products and we check out that products. Without architecture, login repeatedly everywhere. With architecture, login fixtures reused, pages reused. Common mistake, write everything in test file. Mixing page plus test logic, not using fixtures. Over engineering early. Deep concepts, test isolation, each test should be independent. Fixture scope, test level, worker level. Scalability architecture should support parallel execution, continuous integration, and continuous development. MCQs. What is the main purpose of reusable architecture? A. Increase code length, reduce duplication, slow execution, avoid fixtures. Reduce duplication.
Yes.
Then which layer handles UI logic? Test, fixture, page, or data? Fixture.
Page.
Okay. Okay. UI logic, yeah, page. Fixtures are used for accession, setup, UI rendering, and logging. UI rendering?
No, setup.
Okay, setup.
Okay, go ahead. And check
Okay,
the, now we need to, after going through this, we need to check the practical thing.
okay. Subjective question, explain reusable test architecture, difference between fixtures and page layer, why separation of concerns is important. Practical assignment, task 1, utilities, task build, login page, task 3, create fixtures, logged in use, mini project, build e-commerce automation framework, login fixture, product page, cart page, checkout flow. Interview notes, architecture is equal to layered system, POM plus fixture is equal to core, focus on scalability and maintainability. Summary, reusable architecture is equal to structured automation, layer improve clarity, essential for real world objects.
That's it. Now go to your practical part. Practical, and in this practical, if you're testing hooks, practice, load this. Go to e-commerce, please. E-commerce is there.
E-commerce,
No,
okay.
down. Yes. E-commerce. No, e-commerce. Below. Go down. E-commerce project is there. Yes. Click
Yeah.
on that. Right click and open in this integrated terminal. Now do this npmi and npx playwright install.
Yeah, recording, right, Deepakji?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, done.
Now you will write this
Mhm.
npm run test header :header. And meanwhile it's running, you can check the code. Then you are able to see it's a clean code. Okay.
Mm.
And here we are using whatever we discussed.
Yeah.
Please check the code. Like here you are able to see we have a pages dash utils. Am I right?
Mm.
So you can check the code and let me know if you have any question or concern. Pages. Check the
This is,
login page because you are familiar with the login page.
yeah. So login page, constructor, private page, provide. Um, then he username input equal to username, password type is equal to password. After login, message. We are declaring actually. This is ID. Okay. It's a page.
You can do one thing, just open this website, line number 12. They mention one
Yeah.
URL. Please open that and check the, you can say, this. Go to inspect and check these values are there. Am I
Values.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
With the help of that, you can locate these elements.
Sure. Yeah. So you have got user. So you make a private page means this page is private or what? It can be accessible
Yes,
by.
yes, it's a private for class only. Cannot access outside the class.
Mm.
That's called encapsulation. Am I right?
Yeah.
And abstraction.
Yeah.
So here you are able to see this input and placeholder is this. If you check this test ID user hyphen underscore name, am I right? And we are
Mm.
using ID there only.
Yeah. User underscore name we are using here. Yeah. Correct.
These are the things, okay?
Mm.
We checked this in a locator JavaScript when we discuss about DOM.
Yeah. And also the ID chance input password. ID is password. Yeah. This ID. Login button.
Login button is you can say below. Little yes, login
Name
button.
is login button. ID is
ID,
just
ID is
ID.
also login button.
Mm. Login hyphen button. Yeah. Error message. Yes, we have got error message on the first. Go up.
Here only you will get that error. This is a error. No, this is not a this. Open this, expand this. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Go there in the inspector itself. Hold on. Close this. Close this. No, 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 no. No. Inspect. Go to inspect again, please. Inspect. Hold on. First, close this. You can say click on this login, login button. Yes. So this is your this wrapper inner error message container. Open this,
Yeah.
expand this div, error message one. The next one is this okay, button error. Let me show you. Let me share my screen and show you where you are able to see that method. Mm, Practical e-commerce page. Let me share my screen with you. I'm able to see my screen, please.
Yeah, I can see. Yep.
So here you are able to see this. We have this login wrapper. If you check this, inside that we have a login button container. There is a you can see this data test, and here you are able to see in a data test. We are saying, hey, if there is a data test, am I right?
Mm.
Is equal to error.
Yep.
Data test is equal to error. We require that. Data test. So this is your button, this is your logo, this is nothing. Logo this. Logo wrapper container input. So these are the things. Form. We have a form with us.
Yep.
Okay, and this is a form group. Input error, input username this, user ID this. Okay.
Yeah.
This is for our password, and this is a error message container. Okay, it will
Okay.
contain that which you when you click that, then you are able to see that. Am I right?
Yep.
So based on this, they are finding. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Now you can check the other code and let me know
Mm.
if something is not clear to you.
Mm.
Stop sharing the screen.
Now I say go to wait.page. Page.go to crossdemo.com. Then I think login username string, password string. So here, the fill username input username and password input password. Then click login button, and here assertion validating
Yes.
validating after the visible of your login page. Then you are to be visible error message. So once if you get any error there, then you should be visible, it is validating the assertion here too. So basically, in the page, first you will extract the ID,
Yes.
and then you will enter the field details, then you perform action, then you validate the outcome of that action.
Yes. So basically, whatever possible thing we can test on that page, we are creating a method against those. Am I right?
Yeah,
And
yeah,
in our real test, if you check that, we are calling those method only. So that
yeah,
everything is kept in a single file. Go to
yeah.
this test folder in our code. Yes, no, no,
This,
below there is a test folder. Yes, and click on this auth one. Inside test itself, we are separating the things. Am I right?
mm,
This login specification here you are able to see.
yeah,
Means we are calling this line number 14, 15. We are calling that login page. Go to this. Am I right? Go to this page and login page validate page visible or not. Am I right?
yeah,
And then we'll this going with the login. If it's successful, then we will check validate the inventory loaded there or not. Am I right?
mm,
Login successful or not. So
yeah,
here you don't need to do this login again and again because you are calling that. Am I right?
mm, correct.
So this is a beauty of our architecture and this form.
Yeah.
Please take your time to understand this. It is so important. So basically, these pages are created inside pages. Am I right?
Yeah.
And
So
we are
here it
saying
is login page, and you have inventory page as well. So you have
yes,
two pages
yes.
here, and also you have users page. First is test.
No,
Login
it's
page,
a
you have
user data. It's a data only.
user data. Oh yeah.
So data for test data folder is also already there, like test under hyphen data.
Mm, okay. Then here login page, go to validate login page visible.
For that, if you want to check this, what is doing, press Control and click on this login page. No, press Control and click on this Go to login. Then you will land to this particular method. Click this is your method, am I right?
Yeah.
And it's available in your this login page. We are
Great.
calling that method. In this manner, you can check.
Yeah. I can have and go visible. You are checking here login is to be visible. Then I can go here. Okay. So you have users as right. We are creating users here, but where we are calling users. Same. Okay, user standard user. Password is this. Hard coded this, right?
Yes, yes.
And
Simplicity.
okay.
So means every layer is a separate
Mm-hmm.
and have their own responsibility.
Yep. Mm, sure. This I got. So
You can check
each
other
page.
pages as well if you want.
Okay, you have inventory page here.
This is a variable. Click on that green one. Line number 8, click on control and click on green one. Yes, this one. Yes.
Inventory page. We have constructor private page, backpack add button. Oh, this is all HTML.
Yes. Selectors.
Then backpack add button, bike light add button, cart link title. Now it's invalidate inventory page loaded. Await expect desktop page to have URL inventory. Locators title to have text as a product. To have URL as inventory. I'm gonna have okay, open this here. These are different methods. So,
Do you require any clarity?
how to bring this down actually? Mm,
This thing? Okay, this
Instead
one.
of instead of right bottom this elements one
Oh, okay.
inspect
Just
page.
you need to select that and then you need to move.
Mm,
Okay, why not put this? Let me try at my end. It's a good thing. Let me. Anything else apart from this means how you can move that?
Yeah,
Uh,
that's okay. I'll see. Yeah.
oh, you can
No.
click on right click and go to inspect there. And there is a, you can say button is there. Click on that below one. No, on top. No, no, no. On right hand side, toolbar is there. Click on that. No, this. Yes, click on that. So it's changing the orientation only.
Mhm.
Okay, no worries. I will check, and if I will find something, I will let you know.
Sure. I'll also. Okay, Deepak ji then.
Hold on. Hold on.